For disciplinary core ideas, ESS2 period D, weather and climate. Scientists record patterns of the weather across different times and areas so that they can make predictions about what kind of weather might happen next. 3 ESS2-1. Climate describes a range of an area's typical weather conditions and the extent to which these conditions vary over years. ESS2 TAC 2. In this example, there is a weather and climate student journal. Student can put a city's name. It can be predetermined, or student can choose. And they can, and it says, what can you infer about the city's climate from its location? And in this example, there are three options for the cities and inferences.